Today we would be covering basic Linux commands which you require to know before you take up Dockers or Kubernetes. So let's get started. So this is the Linux machine. If you see, I have logged into the Linux machine using SSH with my username and password. Today we would be covering the commands as you see onto the screen. The first basic command is to know where we are at the moment, which we term it as present working directory. So this is your PWD, present working directory. It shows that you are into the root. Second command is you need to list the directories, the way you use dir in Windows, in the same way you use ls here. It displays what are the files and folders present into the root directory as we see. Then we can use multiple switches, like you see. If we need to see the hidden files and folders, then you use -a switch. You could see two dots and additional, which are the hidden files, hidden folders, something. Then in order to do some more information, you can type help, just a sec, help. So it will display you entire commands that you could use. Then CLS is to CEL clear is to just reach at the top. Then let's look into the change directory. That is how we change it. So let's go ahead and look into the change directory to tilde, right? Tilde, I've used tilde. So what is tilde? So it has taken me to the root. Why it has taken me to the root? Because this is generally set to your home directory, and I have logged in via root credentials via switch user sudo su command that I used. Similarly, if you see, it maps to your home directory, right? And if we use cd space ... it will take me to the root directory. It will take me one folder up. Earlier we were in root, then root folder. Now we have come to the root, which is basically the C drive of the system, as we talk about from Windows perspective. Now we will be talking about how to create a directory, and let's see. We go in here, and mkdir is the command to create the directory. So you would see the help, what you find in here, mkdir space ## help. So you can find it, what it says, that what you could use mkdir under the options that you see. So let's go ahead and create another directory named test.dir. Go into here, so we could find, and there is test directory next to the temp. Here we could see it, this one. Anyways, and suppose if we have to create multiple directories, how we would do it. So I will go in here, I will use this, and this. Okay, so this is my directory. I will use a -p switch. We will see what it does. So if we see, it will create multiple directories, dir 1, 2, 3, 4, and under dir 4 it will create subdirectories. So let's go in there, let's talk about what's in the content. So you could see 4 directories created, and if I go in there and type dir4, it will show that there two other directories created in one particular command. So it's the benefit of -p switch. Similarly, we will come in here and we will see how to view the contents of the file. Okay, uh, so let's talk. Let's go into the cat etc hosts. So it will display the host file contents, what is the IP and all. And there are a few other commands in order to check the IP address of the system. You can type ifconfig. Then there is IP link command. It will tell you whether what's the status of the network interfaces, whether it's up. This is the Ethernet adapter at 0, whether it's up or not, and if there are some other, then it will display. So these are few commands. Now if I have to create another file, okay, so let's hover into the test.dir directory. So we are into it. So let's create one file. We can use an editor over there, okay, or we can, yeah, or we can use cat as well. So vi say 1.txt. So it will open up it's a vi editor used for writing the file contents. So you need to press I for insert. You see the thing changed to insert here. Now you can start typing a b c d e f something, whatever, and then you save it. Now to save it you have to press the colon w q and exclamation. Just a second. Escape, then colon wq and exclamation. It will save it. Now if I have to see the content of the file, it would be cat1.txt. You could see what we typed in there. So if we have to append multiple files to one file, how you will do it? So let's go ahead and type, create one more command. Okay, sorry. So let's create another file. Just a sec. So there is one particular good document that you would find it over here. Let's use it. So these are the commands which are the basic one, the cat, if you see. So if you see this one, cat, okay. So let's use cat 2.txt. So here you type in. So this is the content. Now we will combine these two files using cat. Now you could see it contains the contents of both the files. So these are the basic commands that you should know for the before you learn Docker. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video we will talk about some